The Golf is the most successful European car for more than 4 decades. A new chapter in the history of this bestseller begins today, October 24, 2019, with the world premiere of the 8th Golf Digitalist, connected and intuitive to operate. Never before has a Golf been so progressive. With hybrid versions launched at the same time, it is electrifying the compact class. Its digital interior enables a new dimension of intuitive operation. Speeds of up to 210 km per hour are possible with assisted driving. It is the first Volkswagen to use swarm intelligence from traffic via CAR2X, meaning it can warn against hazards on an anticipatory basis. Its world premiere takes place in Wolfsburg, where the Golf was invented, and where it has been built and refined for the last 45 years. The new Golf will be available. Over the course of 7 generations, the Golf has impressed more than 35 million customers. The entire automobile industry expects a new Golf to set the standard, explained Dr. Herbert Diess, chairman of the board of management of Volkswagen AG. In terms of its technology, the Golf is making the greatest leap forward since its debut. Ralf Brandstatter, chief operating officer of Volkswagen Passenger Cars, this car is completely new. But of course, a Golf always remains a Golf. Because the underlying concept is timeless. This car has defined our brand over decades. The Golf has consistently made new technologies available for. With the new Golf, Volkswagen has started a hybrid offensive. As the first model of the brand, the 8th Golf will be available in no less than 5 hybrid drive versions. Its debut also celebrates 48V technology, a belt starter generator, 48V lithium-ion battery and the latest generation of efficient TSI engines form a new mild hybrid drive in the ETSI. Tangible benefits: consumption has been cut by up to 10%, on the basis of WLTP, and the vehicle is extremely agile and comfortable when moving off. Volkswagen will offer the Golf in 3 ETSI output stages, 81 kW/110 PS,